Good morning, afternoon, whatever it is. We're Maverick equipment and we are specialist material handlers. So we tend to adapt what we have in the way of standard equipment to do specific jobs, to handle specific problems. A very good example is one we've just done recently here. These are what we call mini stackers or work positioners. They're a tiny little electric lift. Very lightweight, very manoeuvrable. But we adapt them to do various jobs. This is a fairly standard sort of machine at about 90 to 115 kilo capacity and basically lifts from ankle to shoulder at the push of a button. What we've done here is we've adapted in response to repeated inquiries from the automotive sector. We've taken a standard machine. We've offset the mast. Instead of being in the centre, it's been offset and it's been adapted specifically to load wheels onto luxury cars. As these wheels get heavier, there's much more risk involved in the operators doing their back, doing their fingers, trying to elevate a wheel and line it up with the various studs and position the thing. So this has been particularly adapted. I'll show you what happens. We straddle the wheel, hit the raise button here. Now on the raise button you'll see that this is full speed, this is half speed. So rather than high and low, it's full and half. What happens is that I can lift that with no effort at all just by holding the button, or I can use that remotely and line the thing up out here. In practice, these are fitted onto the vehicles when they're already elevated onto a hoist. So what happens is that the guys not only have to pick the wheel from the floor, they have to then get it up to the vehicle that, imagine, is sitting on that silver table there. Because the mast is offset, I can see all of the stud holes on the wheel. I can also rotate it on the rollers so that it lines up perfectly with the bolts. Then I can adjust the height up or down, line it up, straight in. Now I have my tool tray here and I can have the rattle gun to apply the bolts. Then I'd simply leave that and now be bolted onto the vehicle. Done. No effort at all.